What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host RBCFX, and in this channel, guys, I'm gonna show you how to trade Forex, where to trade Forex, how do we get profits from Forex, among several things that concern the whole field of Forex. So, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into what is this thing that is called Forex trading. Okay, you don't need the whole beauty, or rather beauty, I don't know, it's beauty to or rather forex beauty that is in the bank for you to trade forex. And not really. Forex trading can be done by just using your phone, your laptop, among several things that I'll guide you in the course of the video. But before going too far, make sure you hit the subscription button, like this video, leave a comment. So guys, forex trading, this is the buying and selling of currencies. Okay, for instance, we have this famous market that I usually trade with, that is uh, gold versus the US dollar. For example, this is gold and this is the US dollar, sorry. So you'll find that this gold can either buy or sell. Okay, and in both cases, in between, we're going to make profits. So guys, I know you're asking yourself, how are we going to make forex in the process? Let me show you how. For instance, you bought this is a 50 bob, this is a 50 bob Kenyan shillings, and this is a 100 bob Kenyan shillings. So let's say you bought, this is gold, okay, so it's known as SAU in the market, and this is the USD. So let's say gold is buying, we call it the bullish movement. Gold is in the bullish movement, that means it's rising, and this US dollar, it's losing value. Let's say you bought this gold at 50 bob, and then with the time it becomes 100 bob. So in between, you get yourself 100 bob. I don't know if you're understanding me, but then that's how you get to make profits. Let's say you bought this. Okay, you predicted that this is gold, it's 100 bob, and it's gonna turn to 50 bob. That means it's gonna do a bearish movement. It's gonna go down. So in the process, it's gonna lose, let's say, 50 pips. So automatically, you're gonna make yourself 50 or rather $50. I don't know if I'm clear. Anyways, so basically in Forex, it's not a get rich program as people do say, but it's a consistent process that you need to follow a step by step, like any other business. And in Forex, there are also what you call risks, there are also what you call profits, there are losses, there are so many that we are yet to explore in the Forex market. Good. So without going too far, I'm going to show you, or rather, the basics of Forex trading. So first of all, you need to understand, you need to have a strategy, which I have a strategy, by the way, that is known as the one-term strategy. What is this one-term strategy I'm talking about? One-term strategy, this is where you only focus on one market. For example, SAU USD, that is dollar against the gold, or GBP GPY, that is Japanese yen and the British pound, among so many other markets. So you're gonna focus with only single market. That's the first one term, commonly misused word by so many Kenyans. And then in that single market, you also have a single strategy. I'll give you my strategy that I commonly use, and as a young trader, I usually make profits with. That is the higher highs and the lower lows strategy. I'll explain to you this strategy later on in my next video. This is my introductory video, by the way, guys. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, that is RBCFX, what are you waiting exactly? Just hit the subscription button, like button, leave a comment in the comment section, among so many other good things that you can comment in the comment section. Good. Also, I'm gonna teach you on how to make real money. That is how we can turn these small currencies into huge profits. In this case, I'm not a big trader. What do you mean? Mi ni mkulima mdogo. If you're a Kenyan, you could understand that. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna show you how we can turn our small profits which accounts are we going to start with, okay, so that we can grow small, very small account as low as 100 Kenyan shillings. This is equivalent to around, let's say, not even a single dollar. Let's say this is just a single dollar. 150 Kenyan shillings is like a single dollar. So guys, I'm gonna show you how we can start. Which account, which broker are we going to use? Which platform are we going to use so that we can make a lot of money, guys? So what you're gonna do, make sure you hit the subscription button so that every video that I drop, you'll be the first person to get. And we're gonna make money, bro. What you mean? This is 2026, and I'm telling you, by 2027, we'll be millionaires, man. Come with me, let's trade, let's become billionaires.